trail leg lift off with knee floss. David's gonna go in the pillow position. For our most regressed pattern, big breath in, create tension, he's gonna lift. He's going to extend that ankle out, leave that knee exactly where it's at, and then he's gonna bring it back in and park it back down. Good, now he's going to press to the elbow. Same thing, lift, extend the knee out, and come back. If David keeps putting his knee forward, what we can do is block it right there, so now he knows he needs to bring it up and down. Giving him feedback. Good. Last progression would be hand near the hip.